Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to contact TikTok customer care. So let's get started. So if you want to contact your TikTok customer care, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your TikTok application, and after opening up your TikTok application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and from here just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. And from here scroll all the way down and then tap on report a problem, and after tapping on report a problem again scroll all the way down and then tap on submit a report, and from here you can just simply contact your customer care. So you just have to enter the feedback that you want to ask to your TikTok and then tap on submit. After tapping on submit, your feedback will be sent to the customer care of TikTok. So just simply go ahead and do this and you can contact customer care. So that's it guys, this is how to contact TikTok customer care support. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.